Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a mirror on the F150 over here. Actually two mirrors. Hopefully we'll get both of them today. But you ask why would we want to do that? Well, let me show you. That is why we're going to be replacing this one anyway. And it's been like this for about 4 or 5 months. Not quite that long, maybe around January, February. What happened here was we were traveling on a street not too far from here. It has a little bit of a bend in it, and as I was coming up to the bend, a car proceeded to pull out of its parking spot and into my lane, so I moved over and that happened. We caught the pole that was right on the edge of the sidewalk, and it's been taped up like this. Hopefully the replacement I have, which is in here, we got from Rock Auto, fits this truck. I'm pretty sure it does, but if it doesn't, we're out of luck because I got this delivered back in February. But at the same time, about a week ago, I don't know if you see that with all this sun, but about a week ago, we got a matching mirror. What happened there was I was towing down a narrow street, probably about 4 or 5 miles from here. Cars parked on both sides, and I was towing a trailer, and another truck also was towing a trailer, and he got a little too close to me. I couldn't get any further over than I was, and he clipped this mirror. Fortunately for this side, the housing's fairly decent. It's a little broke here, but the housing's still intact. I'm going to just keep the housing and try to replace just the glass. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to set this camera in here, probably up on here, to try to get you to see what I'm doing here. This is going to be kind of hard to video. So, but what we got to do, we got to remove this whole panel. I believe this is all one piece. Yeah, it looks like this is all one piece. So this whole panel's got to come off. And I believe there's screws on the bottom to hold it. And under here, I believe there's some screws. And if I remember right, there's something behind the speaker panel. So, and in here, I think there's something I got to remove there. So we're going to do that. All right, for in here, that's the best I'm going to be able to get you on there. We'll start by taking out bottom screws on the bottom here. They look like they're going to be, it's a 6mm. Alright, so we got 2 8mm here. Get it come out. Alright, you got a plastic scraper, which is ideal if it's strong enough to get up under there. If not, I have a spackle knife, which is good stout. We'll put some tape or put a rag over it, one or the other. Oh, there we go. You got these plugs here, you just got to unplug them, which is going to be, you're going to pinch it here, or just pop this loose. Get a small screwdriver here. Supposedly it'll come out this way. It's supposed to, but they never do, so I just do it this way. Just try not to break it off. Just that. And you get up under there and go like that. And then you got that off. All right. And you got a screw right in here. Now, maybe that speaker does have to come out. I ain't 100% sure of that though. But we're gonna try it. Ain't that hard to put back in if it doesn't. Alright. So we got that out. Yeah, I don't think that was holding it though. Let's take that off. Okay, now we got everything off. I think I still got to pull that. Ain't coming out. There we go. Slide this guy out like that. I think these are going to have to come out too, just so I can get the door to lift up. I'm not quite sure how they go. They just clip in. See if I can pop it off of there without breaking it. Maybe this will come in handy. All right, there we go. Yeah, I think I will be able to use it again. And this one here, I think I can get past. So, yeah, there we go. There you go. Panel comes off. All right, we got the panel off. So now we gotta get this off. Probably just gonna tape over everything. I don't have any silicone to put this on. This is all dry anyway, so it really wasn't doing much. All right, so there we are. The plug for the mirror, 11 millimeter. Now, if I was smart, I would have left my window down so that I could hold this. It don't look like it's going to fall though. But I want to hold it just to see. All right, got the broken mirror off. Okay, the only thing about this new mirror is it does also have a panel that's I'm going to have to pop that on later on, but that's not a big deal right now. That's good. All right. Now we're going to pop the panel back on. First we got to put this back. I'm just going to cover it up with some Gorilla Tape. I might even just cover the whole thing. Don't forget to plug your electric in back for your mirror unless you want to do it manually all the time. So I'm going to take this off. This is all dried out, most of it anyway, so I'm just going to cover this with tape. All right. Get this good sealed. My opinion is this Gorilla Tape will outlast that plastic anyway, so this is good stuff, I'll tell you. And that's all we need to do is seal up the hole so the air's not blowing in from the outside. Now we just gotta slide the panel back on, get our pieces back in. All your wiring goes where it's got to go before you put this all down. There we go. Line it back up's going to be fun. This is going to go up. That first. Oh, where lost my lock. There we go. Now it should slide in. Something not hooking right here yet. There it is. This hook? No. There we go, we got her all hooked in. Good and tight. All right. Make sure she's good and tight on there. And I think we're good. There it is. All done. There you have it, all back together. Looking good. Just gotta start her up and see if she's gonna work. All right, let's see if she works. There she goes, she moves. Working like a charm. And right about where I need her to be is right there. And we're going to be towing my camper in about 2 weeks, so I'm good to have good mirrors. because that's kind of annoying to look into. Okay, one final step. The final step is we got to put this piece on the back. Okay, basically you just got a couple little tabs that will slide in there and catch onto them clips. The job should be done. There it is, fixed. I don't like this smooth finish though. My other side don't have that, but we're gonna live with it. Okay, so it's another day, a couple days later. Now we're gonna try to replace the other mirror, the one on the driver's side that's just the broken glass. I have the new glass here. Okay, this is the back of the new glass. You look right here, you got these little clips all the way around. There's like 4 of them, it looks like. And it's about 8 of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah. Also, it came with these two contacts here. I'm kind of thinking they'll go in here. Not sure that, but it kind of looks like it'll fit there. But we'll see when we take it off. I'm not sure how that's going to go in there. But we'll see where them contacts go once I get the other one apart. Once I get the other one apart. So I gotta get in there and pop them clips somehow. So I can't really video this, so. Okay, so that's what we got. We got that disc there that we gotta get. And there's my contacts right there, how they go in there. So, and then all I gotta do is snap this back on after I unwire these things here. Okay, I'm not sure about this wiring here. Just gotta disconnect this. And then, okay, see these are just little stake-ons on there. Pull them off with one hand. Apparently not. Okay, unfortunately I couldn't hold the camera and film this, and I don't have something high enough because my ground goes down, so it was impossible to film this. But if you remember right, there was a disc in here. The four clips will just push that on. You just push it on, snap it on. Make sure I call them contacts, but apparently they're not contacts. The way it looks, they're like just some kind of a spring in there. Make sure they go into the cavity there. And that's all there is to that. This was pretty easy to do. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It'll help others out to find it and maybe help them too. So, and thanks for watching.